What's up, guys? Got a update video. I haven't made a video on YouTube in a while, so I gotta show some stuff that's went down over the past. Well, this just happened a couple days ago. Still got the 5.0. Got the Coyote. I did sell the Roush, but it's for a good reason. Hang on one second. Okay, so as I was saying, I sold the Roush, and the reason we sold it is build this baby up. It's got an ESS G3X stainless work long tube headers. It is on 93 octane right now. Maybe later on we'll crank the boost up and go to E85 or something maybe. Well, it hurts me there's no E85 around me local. I'd have to buy it by the drum probably. That's the only sucky part about that. We got the UPR catch can too. I like it. Nice setup. I went to HPR down in Henderson, Tennessee, and those guys was the ones that put the kit on. I went with the black. Everything's black. It's got the big G4 intercooler, and it has the, pretty sure it's the Summit blow-off valve, which I can't see it in there. Yeah, there's the blow-off valve. So now the full build on the car as it sits. It has Eibach sportline springs. It's got AWE touring exhaust with stainless works long tube catted headers. And I'll get you guys a code start. Hey, buddy. That's my Great Dane. He's in the cars too. Alright, let's get a code start. It does have the straight cut gears, the loud gear set. Stainless long tube heaters, they're catted headers, 1 7/8. You can't beat the AWE touring paired with that. To me, I think that's the best setup on the Coyote. And now you got the awesome whining noise of the ESS G3 if you're into that kind of supercharger. You can get the synchro gears, which is quieter, but I figure if I was gonna spend that kind of money, I want to hear it, you know what I mean? I like the noise that it makes. And the blow off, it sounds really cool too. It made good power on the dyno. It made like 661 on 93. I'll have to look on the paper again. I'm pretty sure it's what it was. 61 through the tire. Run them with Mustang too. need to get just some different tires. It's got Nitto 555 G2s on it. Really needs a, these are 265s too. And like I said, you be doing 50 mile an hour and just kick it down and it'll break loose. So it needs a better tire setup and a wheel. I like to have a 10.5 inch wheel on the back and maybe 9.5s up front, something like that. 305s. It'd probably hook up pretty good if I get a good tire. But yeah, just wanted to make a video showing what the car is now, and it's really fun to drive with all the extra noises that you get, and the downshifts are really fun now, cool, and just it's all fun. Really enjoyable car. I would like to ride a Whipple car. Like I said, I had the Roush, but it was, you know, a root style blower. You had to power down like instant, but it wasn't like Coyote power, you know what I mean? I can talk, but yeah, I can just imagine what a Whipple feels like. But that's fast too, though. I like that. That's the first time owning a centrifugal car as well, and I really like the power, the way the power band is. You can take your paddle shifts and, like, say you're just cruising down the road and you want to play around, you can bring it down to like third gear, third or fourth, about 4,500 RPM, and as soon as you smack it, it's in the boost, you know. With more RPM, the more boost it pulls. Or you can just roll into it and let it build up like that. But if you want to feel it, you know, kind of instant, from my experience with this car, is, like I said, you know, gear it down and get it up to about 4,500, something like that, on the RPMs, and when you stomp it, it's there. It'll light the tires up. But like and subscribe if you made it this far, and I don't know what else. Well, probably some wheels. Might do some wheels, but be sure to like and subscribe and give a thumbs up and leave a comment what you'd like to see next. I'd like to get a dragon. That would be pretty cool. Go to a track and see what kind of times it would run. It is on the 120 pulley, 120 millimeter, as you can see right there. And if you want a close up of the UPR catch can, really nice setup. I had the J&L, which I liked it. I mean, it sat right here. I kind of didn't like the way it just kind of dangled here. With this setup, it bolts on the side of your strut tower. And it's just a lot neater, cleaner look to me. You can see how it hooks up here into the ESS kit. A nice setup. I really like it. I'm pleased with it. It's really fun to drive, but that's enough rambling on. Maybe get some videos of inside the car, and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see with the car now, since it's boosted, and we'll try to make it happen. Thanks.